Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the hardware and permissions. Power down and insert both SIMs into their labeled slots so contacts align. This prevents detection errors. Once done, boot the phone and make sure both carriers report signal bars. You should check the phone isn't carrier locked and that each SIM has an active plan. Otherwise, calls or data on that line will fail. Now move to enabling dual SIM controls in software, so the system knows how to route calls and data. You now configure how the phone uses both networks. Go to dual SIM settings and assign default SIM for mobile data, calls, and text. This reduces prompts during use. If you want automatic resilience, enable data switching so the phone falls back to the other SIM when the primary loses signal. Make sure to label each SIM with carrier names so you don't confuse them during selection. Once configured, test by making a call and using mobile data to confirm behaviors match your choice. Finish by validating real-world performance. Place calls, send texts, and run a quick speed test on the chosen data SIM so you can optimize settings. If data won't connect, edit the APN settings for that carrier and reboot. Many issues resolve with correct APN. If a SIM isn't detected, power down, reset the SIM tray, or try the SIM in another phone to isolate hardware versus network faults. If problems persist, contact the carrier with diagnostics ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.